Yeah, so I bought 3 PCs and I'm gonna show you guys how I flip them. But before that, let's go back a couple hours. Okay, we're gonna go pick up 3 PCs right now. We have one for $370, one for $500, and one for $525. There's some pretty good deals and I'm pretty excited to show you guys. I'll keep you guys updated when I get them. Okay, we just got the first PC picked up right here, ready to go, secured by a little plushie. And yeah, off to pick up the next PC. Just picked up the 3rd PC. It's been a long day. Been driving. It's almost 4 o'clock. I started at like 1 o'clock. So yeah, now we just gotta go home and put the PCs together. Yeah, so I bought 3 PCs and I'm gonna show you guys how I flip them. So looking at our PCs from smallest to largest, here we have our mini ITX PC at the 3060 Ti with a Ryzen 5 3600. And this is our other PC, which is a 2070 Super White with a Ryzen 7 2700. Lastly, we have our 2070 Super with an i9 9900K. All 3 PCs look pretty good and all we need to do is just clean them. So starting off with the mini ITX PC, it's pretty much ready to go. The seller actually kept it in basically perfect condition. All I had to do was clean it and honestly, it's ready to go. I'm just gonna add an SSD for a terabyte and yeah, we're gonna list it on the marketplace. Okay, so I just opened the back and it's kind of exploding, but you know, I've seen worse. So all we need to do is just install this SSD right now. And thank God I had some extra SATA cables, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, we just installed the SSD and it's pretty much good to go. The guy who built this told me he only had this case for around 3 months. He said he just built it and he just didn't end up using it. So honestly, this is a great deal. It's like clean. It's really, I got really lucky with that. Yeah, we just installed the SSD, closed up the back, and now we're ready to go. And our next PC is our 2070 Super with the Ryzen 7 2700. It's pretty much good to go. It looks amazing and I really don't need to replace anything with this PC. And lastly is this ginormous PC. It has the NZXT H710. That's another 2070 Super and an i9 9900K. All this PC is missing is some storage. It has a hard drive right now, but I do want to put a solid state drive in it just to make it run better. We're going to be using the Team Group M.2 SSD to go inside this board. All we need to do is unscrew the M.2 cover. Okay, now that we got that cover removed, we can go ahead and install it. Okay, we got it in. We can go ahead and just cover it back up. Okay, we got the SSD installed. So here's where we're gonna be setting up our PCs. I don't have a studio, so this is what we're gonna work with. I just plugged everything in and we're gonna turn it on and hopefully it boots. Okay, that's a good sign. The GPU's on. Okay, and the lights turn on. That's sick, that's sick. And we have video. That's amazing. Okay, it's resetting. I hope it's good. Okay, we're back here and we're good. And there's a password. That's awesome. Okay, I need to contact the guy. Okay, so he isn't responding. So let's just do the next PC first and I hope he responds in the meantime. Instead, we're going to be doing this PC. That's a good sign. There's the light. So let's turn it on. Okay, that's good. Let's see if we get some posts. Nice. Okay, that's good. Let's see if this one has a password or not. If it has a password, then we're screwed. Not really, but it'll just be a little bit annoying. Okay, we're on the home screen. And there's a password! Why does everyone leave a password on it? God. Okay, and let me contact the guy. Be right back. This guy actually got back to me in like 2 seconds. We're in, and he didn't reset anything. Wait, he didn't reset anything. Okay, wait. Okay, so our PC is pretty much all good. We just need to reset it and we can start taking pictures of it and put it on the marketplace. But first, let's move on to our next PC and see if it boots. Okay, we got our next PC and let's turn it on to make sure it boots. And hopefully no password. turns on, looks good, and we're on. All good. Let's see if there's a password. Wait. Okay, so we booted into BIOS because this PC does not have Windows installed. So we need to go ahead and get a little USB drive. Maybe like this one. Look. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in and reboot our system. Okay, we loaded into Windows Boot Manager and we're just gonna let it do its thing. I'm not even exaggerating. It's been 2 hours and I got it to work. So, good, on to the next. Okay, after a little bit of difficulty, we finally got in and everything's looking good. It boots and it runs perfect. And so now that we got all 3 pieces up and running, we can just take pictures and we can start putting them on Marketplace. And here's the corner that we're gonna be taking pictures of our PCs. I have a light behind there that changes color, so depending on the PC color, I'm gonna try to match that so it just looks really aesthetically pleasing. So let's start taking pictures of this one. Just finished with this one and we're gonna do the next one now. We have our second PC up here ready to take pictures. We're just booting up the last computer. Finally, it's taken a lot longer than I expected. Just finished up with that one and now we can finally put them on the Marketplace. Okay, so now we're gonna list all 3 PCs on the Marketplace. It's kind of late, so I'm kind of just gonna speed through this. I already have everything written down. You guys are just gonna see kind of a condensed version. I have a tutorial up on how I list my computer, so I can link that in the description if you guys want to watch that. But yeah, let's just get these computers on the Marketplace. Okay, we finally finished. We have all 3 listings up. We did it. Today has been crazy. I drove so far and we got all 3 PCs done by the end of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, make sure to hit that like button. It was really fun to make today, and in the next video, or maybe not the next video, but sometime soon, I'll do a follow-up where I show you that I actually sell the PCs. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.